Just want to give a big up to umarex. They sent me the piece I needed. My t4e PPQ. This piece right here broke. You can see it. A little detent. Keeps the balls from breaching, shooting all at once. So big up to umarex that sent me out this piece. Now I'm taking this pin out right here. I'm knocking it through this side. When you get this part out, knock it through this end right here. Okay, so you see the pin, you pull it out right here, this pin. So I already tapped it through. And it should release. So now all I have to do is put that piece back in, the new one. Let's try to compare them so you can see them. This is the good piece. They took this piece from umarex out of a gun, out of t4e. It has the full piece right there. This piece right here, you can see, well, my spring fell off, but you can see it and see how it's broken compared to this one right here. So I'm gonna put you on pause. I'm gonna put it back in. I'll be right back. Okay, that was real easy. I took the piece and I put it back in there. And you can see it. Lift up and it moves out. It comes out just like that. Now to put it back in, you gotta do the same thing. Put it right there where it's about to go in and lift up on it. It's really, it could be easy and it could be hard. Lift up all the way, slide it back in. Okay, now take your pistol slide, or your trigger slide, put that in there. That's how it fits in there. So now you take this piece, you can slide it in there, and when you go forward, you want that spring to come back and that to go through. Just like that. So the spring comes back. Now, get that piece in there. Now you want this piece in there. So like that. Then push that forward. Spring back. Okay, ready? Now it's in there. Now you take this. Now it should look like that. See that hooked onto there? Into the hammer part. And then this is attached to the trigger slide. It has a little hole in there. Put it in there. Okay. There you have it. Now, look around, make sure there ain't any other pieces. Take this, attach it on there. See? Just click. Okay, it's good. Yeah, everything's good. Okay. Now you take the first pin. In there, put it on the other side. Remember, on the other side, you got the nylons right there. Put that in there. Alright, second one. Put that in there. Alright. And the third one, put it in there. The nylon on this end, push it in. Hit this in. Take your gun. Now, take this, hammer these back in this next part in there. Okay, now you see there is a spring right in that hole. Can you see it? A little spring. Now, I'm going to take my screwdriver on this side of the gun and push it down. Can't see that. Push it down. Get on top of it. Push it down like that. That's it. Press it. Okay. Now, like that. Take a piece. It's gonna go through here. So you gotta press down. So you just push it in there and slide this out at the same time. And you snap right in. And be on top of your spring. This piece will go. You can see how it fits right on there. It's perfect. It fits right on there. So the last piece I got is my little screw. Put that screw in there. And then tighten it up. Change the slides. This one works. This one didn't because that one piece I just replaced, but now it's gonna work. I guarantee it. Works. Now let's put a I want a full mag. So let's take the mag out of this one. Put it in there. Bring it back. Alright. And put your thing in there. Hey, that worked. Shot one ball out. Shot one ball. Rex P.